I was this close about to get monetized when YouTube has permanently deleted my account. My YouTube channel has been permanently deleted for over 2 weeks, and this is how I have recovered it. So if you haven't subscribed, guys, go ahead and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am Oshane, and today I will show you how to recover your permanently deleted account. YouTube can delete your account based on community guidelines. However, sometimes your channel can be deleted mistakenly or erroneously. However, my channel was deleted by using vidIQ. Sometimes when you're using these apps and hashtags, they are not very helpful. However, if someone's account has violated the policy in their firm, you will be also affected by their channel. So it is not good to use vidIQ, YouTube Studio Tracker, because sometimes there are accounts that are violating the YouTube policy. However, when YouTube suspects policy violation, they just remove all the accounts that they suspect. Not to worry, I will show you how to recover your YouTube account if it has been permanently deleted or temporarily removed. If you have a Twitter account, go to Twitter, tweet at Team YouTube. What you want to put in this message, you want to go ahead and explain what has happened. You want to ensure that your YouTube handle is in the message, that is your YouTube channel. Also, you want to state your full name, and you want to thank them in advance. The next step, when you receive the deleted channel or removed channel or terminated channel, in that email you will be able to appeal. So what you want to do, YouTube will post your YouTube handle in that message. Do not use your custom URL, as this might take a longer time. So go ahead and use the handle that YouTube provided in this message. I will show you right there on the screen so you have an idea. Once you use this handle, post in the text, same context, hello at Team YouTube. My channel was deleted mistakenly or erroneously, and I believe that this was done in error. However, please, I need your help in recovering my account. Full stop, and you want to make sure you thank them in advance. Once this is completed, guys, go ahead and submit. Ensure that you're using the email address that is associated with your YouTube channel. Once you're using this address, go ahead and submit. Ensure that the address is correct. This will reduce the back and forth with YouTube and help you to recover your channel faster. Alright guys, thanks for watching the full video. My name is Oshane. Thanks for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe. Peace out. See you in our next video.